all my friends have been asking me about this particular job, and I think it'll bring to light some ideas about design build versus design bid build. First of all, I do want to recognize our partners. Clarkson is not bidding or building this job by themselves. Couldn't do it, wouldn't want to do it. Kiewit Infrastructure is our partner, and along with them are two designers, HDR Engineering and George Butler Associates. And as I've told everybody, we are not working on this project for KDOT, the department, for Howard Needles. We are working with them. No, it sounds corny, but we've been preaching partnership since we were awarded this job, and we're gonna go through with that. 4 reasons why we believe our team, this is an advantage, that this is a design build job. Number 1, the first bullet, it can be done a lot quicker. As an example, on a typical design bid build, the design has to be 100% completed before the department puts it out for bid. Then they award it, then construction starts. If this job was bid, design, bid, build, it would not be done in December of 2016. It would be more like 2018, 2019. The reason is we can start building while we design it. For instance, the western terminus of this project is Ridgeview. It's about 100% designed, the new bridge. We can start on that. While the eastern terminus, let's call it Quivira, is not. So we can start building as we're designing as we're building. That saves a lot of time. Very important here. We're saving 2.5 to 3 years conservatively on the finish of this job. That's bullet number 1, quickly. It turns into bullet number 2. If it's that quicker and everything with inflation, whether it's people's wages, construction materials, obviously we're going to beat that by 3 or 4 years. So it's going to be, and I hate to use this word because nothing's cheap, it's going to be cheaper. It's going to be more economical. We're going to finish it in the end of 2016, not the end of 2018 or 2019. First 2 bullets again. It's quicker, it's cheaper. Third bullet, very important. I don't know if everybody knows this. Our team, the 4 organizations I talked about, along with our partners, KDOT and Howard Needles, are in a building just north of here. 80 of us, 1 building. This is our sole objective, focus is this project. We're on a normal design bid build. You might have 7 or 8 projects going on at the same time, and you got things going on other projects. You may not even get a particular project once a week. Here, the focus is completely on Gateway. Very important. So it's obviously a better mousetrap. It's a better project. We're tweaking it as we speak. KDOT, Howard Needles will come up with something. Let's do this instead of that. Our team will come up with something. Why don't we do this ramp instead of that? Maybe the accelerations to be this, be that. I could go on and on. The important thing is it's a team effort, and we're changing it as we speak. Nothing dramatic, obviously, but it's a good way of being together in the same office instead of calling somebody, leaving them a voicemail, texting them, whatever else you do with today's social media. You walk across the hallway. That's this job. We're going to be there for 2.5 years. 4th bullet, and it trumps bullet number 1 being quicker. It trumps bullet number 2 being cheaper. It trumps bullet number 3 being a better project, better mousetrap. It's a safer job. Governor, you were wrong for once. There's not 230,000 vehicles a day. It's 240,000. We need to protect those people, those motorists, every day. And obviously, we need to protect our own workers. Doing it at night, doing it under a lot of traffic. In the old days, 30 years ago, we would have shut down the whole interstate. You'd have gone, K10, the old K10, 87th Street. Now, obviously, how busy this is, you build everything under traffic. That's why safety trumps everything. We have a safety professional. His name's Bill Whitaker. His entire focus is on this job, nothing else. So again, those are the 4 reasons we believe our team that design build versus design bid build is the reason it's going to be a great project. And if we have anything at the end of the day, everybody's favorite expression, if us at the end of the project can convince Governor Brownback, KDOT, Howard Needles, all the citizens, whether they're from Kansas City, Kansas, Kansas City, Missouri, that come through this interchange every day, that there is real merit in design build projects versus design bid build. Quicker, more economical, better mousetrap, better project, and fourthly, much safer. Thank you very much.